Welcome back, friends. Welcome to a new English learning podcast. Today, we will learn how to use get in everyday English. The word get is one of the most common words in English. Native speakers use it every day, but many learners find it confusing because get has many meanings. The good news is that get is actually simple. Let's learn step by step. First, get can mean receive. Listen carefully. I got your message. Repeat. I got your message. Again. I got your message. Good. Another example. I got an email this morning. Repeat. I got an email this morning. Again. I got an email this morning. Very good. Now, get can also mean become. Listen carefully. I get tired after work. Repeat. I get tired after work. Again. I get tired after work. Good. Another example. She gets nervous before meetings. Repeat. She gets nervous before meetings. Again. She gets nervous before meetings. Very good. Now, get can also mean arrive. Listen carefully. I got home late yesterday. Repeat. I got home late yesterday. Again. I got home late yesterday. Good. Another example. We got to the office early. Repeat. We got to the office early. Again. We got to the office early. Excellent. Another common use of get is obtain or buy. Listen carefully. I need to get some groceries. Repeat. I need to get some groceries. Again. I need to get some groceries. Good. Another example. I got a new phone. Repeat. I got a new phone. Again. I got a new phone. Very good. Another very common use is get plus adjective. Listen carefully. Get ready. Repeat. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Good. Get dressed. Repeat. Get dressed. Again. Get dressed. Very good. Get better. Repeat. Get better. Again. Get better. Excellent. Native speakers use get because it is simple and flexible. Instead of using many different verbs, they use get. For example, get tired, get ready, get home, get better. These are very natural expressions. The more you listen, the easier it becomes. Continue listening. Now let's continue learning how to use get in everyday English. Another common use of get is for movement. Listen carefully. I get up early every morning. Repeat. I get up early every morning. Again. I get up early every morning. Good. Now another example. I get in the car and drive to work. Repeat. I get in the car and drive to work. Again. I get in the car and drive to work. Very good. Now listen carefully. I get out of the office at 5. Repeat. I get out of the office at 5. Again. I get out of the office at 5. Excellent. These expressions are very common in daily English. Get up, get in, get out. Now let's learn another common use. Get for understanding. Listen carefully. I get it. Repeat. I get it. Again. I get it. Good. Another example. I don't get this question. Repeat. I don't get this question. Again. I don't get this question. Very good. Native speakers often use get to mean understand. Now let's learn get plus to. Listen carefully. I got to speak with my manager. Repeat. I got to speak with my manager. Again. I got to speak with my manager. Good. Another example. I got to try this new restaurant. Repeat. I got to try this new restaurant. Again. I got to try this new restaurant. Very good. These expressions sound very natural in everyday English. The more you practice them, the more comfortable you become. Continue listening. Now let's continue learning more uses of get in everyday English. Another very common use is get plus past participle. This form is used in many daily conversations. Listen carefully. I got tired after work. Repeat. I got tired after work. Again. I got tired after work. Good. Now another example. I got confused during the meeting. Repeat. I got confused during the meeting. Again. I got confused during the meeting. Very good. Now listen carefully. She got promoted last month. Repeat. She got promoted last month. Again. She got promoted last month. Excellent. Native speakers use get like this very often. Now let's learn get plus someone. Plus something. Listen carefully. I'll get you a coffee. Repeat. I'll get you a coffee. Again. I'll get you a coffee. Good. Another example. Can you get me some water? Repeat. Can you get me some water? Again. Can you get me some water? Very good. Now listen carefully. He got his friend a gift. Repeat. He got his friend a gift. Again. He got his friend a gift. Excellent. Another very common expression is get plus better. Listen carefully. I hope you get better soon. Repeat. I hope you get better soon. Again. I hope you get better soon. Good. Another example. My English is getting better. Repeat. My English is getting better. Again. My English is getting better. Very good. These expressions are used every day in English conversations. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English becomes. Continue listening. Now let's continue learning more common uses of get in everyday English. Another very common use is get plus time. Listen carefully. I get home at 6. Repeat. I get home at 6. Again. I get home at 6. Good. Another example. I got there early. Repeat. I got there early. Again. I got there early. Very good. Now listen carefully. What time did you get here? Repeat. What time did you get here? Again. What time did you get here? Excellent. Now let's learn get plus opportunity. Listen carefully. I got the chance to speak. Repeat. I got the chance to speak. Again. I got the chance to speak. Good. Another example. I got the opportunity to learn. Repeat. I got the opportunity to learn. Again. I got the opportunity to learn. Very good. Now listen carefully. She got the job. Repeat. She got the job. Again. She got the job. Excellent. Another very common use is get plus busy. Listen carefully. I got busy this morning. Repeat. I got busy this morning. Again. I got busy this morning. Good. Another example. Things are getting busy. Repeat. Things are getting busy. Again. Things are getting busy. Very good. Native speakers use get in many simple and natural ways. The more you hear these expressions, the easier they become. Continue listening. Now let's continue learning more ways to use get in everyday English. Another very common use is get plus phrasal verbs. These are very natural in daily conversations. Listen carefully. Get back. I'll get back to you later. Repeat. I'll get back to you later. Again. I'll get back to you later. Good. Now another one. Get along. We get along very well. Repeat. We get along very well. Again. We get along very well. Very good. Now listen carefully. Get over. I need to get over this problem. Repeat. I need to get over this problem. Again. I need to get over this problem. Excellent. Now another common one. Get through. I couldn't get through the call. Repeat. I couldn't get through the call. Again. I couldn't get through the call. Very good. Now listen carefully. Get together. Let's get together tomorrow. Repeat. Let's get together tomorrow. Again. Let's get together tomorrow. Excellent. These phrasal verbs are very common. Native speakers use them every day. Learning them helps you sound more natural. Another helpful example. Get used to. I'm getting used to my new job. Repeat. I'm getting used to my new job. Again. I'm getting used to my new job. Very good. The more you practice these expressions, the more fluent you become. Continue listening. Now let's continue and finish today's lesson about get in everyday English. The word get is powerful because it is simple. Native speakers use it in many situations. Instead of using difficult words, they often choose get. This makes communication easier and more natural. Let's review some common examples. Listen carefully. I get up early. Repeat. I get up early. I get home late. Repeat. I get home late. I get tired after work. Repeat. I get tired after work. I got your message. Repeat. I got your message. I'll get back to you. Repeat. I'll get back to you. These simple expressions are used every day. The more you hear them, the more natural they become. Remember, fluency comes from repetition. Listen, repeat, practice daily. Slowly, your English improves. You begin to understand more. You begin to speak more naturally, and you begin to feel more confident. Closing, remember this. Simple words like get are the key to sounding natural in English. Practice these expressions every day, and your fluency will improve step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode.